This is MAZDA6 2020. I'm going to make the spare key at a smart key. This one I'm going to make the spare key using the Lonsdor. So let's see it how it's doing. Go to the emo and go to Mazda Australia, MAZDA6 with the smart key 2027 plus. So there is option all smart keys lost, add key and switch ignition, and we are going to make the add smart key. Okay, switch ignition on. It is on already. Okay, so there is already 2 keys. We are going to make the third one. There is switch ignition is on. Switch ignition is on. So it takes 7 minutes time to reading the data, and 27 minutes is complete. It will be the hornet. And I hold the video and I will come back again. So we are almost done. It's 75% done, and it's not showing anything. And let's see for the just 2 minutes to be finished. चलो चलो it's 93% is done, and let's see. So car is giving the horn now. It's already horned, and let's complete it. Now it is ready to program it, and just follow the device step by steps. Key is programming now. Dimension, hold the logo side smart key close to the smart button. First one. Second things, you have to step the down brake, empty step down clutch. Okay, so press it and press the OK here. So it's success now. Program it 3 keys, as you can see here. It is 3. Before was 2 key, now it's 3 key. And press it OK. The program is complete. Do you want more? If you have more keys, press OK. Otherwise, press the no. Cancel it. Okay. So the mention here, before you start the engine, you need to complete the steps on. Climb the vehicle and turn ignition, put the key to start button for the 3 seconds, and then off. So put it for the 3 seconds for the first key, and I think also original key. I'm not sure about this. Press set and press OK. Program is completed. Now you can check the new key. New case is working now. The lock, unlock, everything is fine, and all keys are still working. Thank you guys. This is MAZDA6 2020 model spare key.